Welcome to a journey through architectural history and design excellence. In this video, we're going to take you on a mesmerizing tour of the Susan Lawrence Dana House, a masterpiece of Frank Lloyd Wright's early career. Get ready to discover the secrets, stories, and intricate details of this remarkable gem in Springfield, Illinois. Built in 1904 for Susan Lawrence Dana, a visionary socialite and women's rights activist, this 12,000-square-foot home is a testament to Wright's brilliance. It's known for its impeccable preservation, housing over 100 original pieces of furniture and 450 art glass windows, doors, and light fixtures, all crafted by the genius himself. But what sets the Susan Lawrence Dana House apart is its unique history. Unlike most of Wright's projects, this one involved a complete transformation of a 30-year-old house. Wright's design reimagined the home into a sprawling, artful masterpiece, incorporating sculptures, art glass, furniture, flooring, and wall treatments. Wright's attention to detail is evident throughout the house, from the exquisite terracotta sculptures by Richard W. Bock in the vestibule to the stunning George Niedecken murals adorning the dining room. And you can't miss the recurring sumac theme that ties everything together. Approaching the Dana House, you'll be awed by its low Roman brick walls, art glass windows, and the distinctive copper eave. The abstract butterfly-patterned art glass transom surrounding the arched door is just the beginning of the visual feast awaiting you. As we step inside, you'll be transported to a world of wonder. A barrel-vaulted dining room with sumac art glass chandeliers and Japanese-inspired murals sets the stage. The house's wide porches and long gallery wing extend the first floor into the scenic landscape. Throughout its history, the Dana House hosted countless gatherings, from political fundraisers to children's Christmas parties. It was a hub of social activity, but Susan Lawrence Dana's life took many turns and the house saw its share of challenges. Thankfully, the Dana House has been preserved for future generations. Its owner, Charles C. Thomas, recognized the importance of protecting this architectural treasure. In 1981, the state of Illinois acquired the property, transforming it into a historic house museum. In this part of our exploration of the Susan Lawrence Dana House, we're going to dive deep into the architectural intricacies. Let's unravel the floor plans, the very blueprints that brought Frank Lloyd Wright's vision to life. The Susan Lawrence Dana House stands as a remarkable example of Frank Lloyd Wright's Prairie style. And to truly understand its genius, we must start with the floor plans that shaped this architectural marvel. First, we have the main floor plan, which is an embodiment of Wright's commitment to integrating architecture with nature. It spreads out into the low prairie landscape, connecting the interior with the exterior. This is a hallmark of the Prairie style. Here, you'll find the reception hall, a grand multi-story space, often the heart of many Prairie-style homes. It serves as a central hub, connecting various rooms and spaces throughout the house. The dining room is a work of art in itself. With its sumac-themed decor and abstracted sumac art glass chandeliers, it's a space that epitomizes the marriage of art and architecture. Wright's design is evident in how he uses wide porches and a long gallery wing to connect the first floor seamlessly to the landscape, fostering a strong connection with nature. Now, let's take a look at the second floor plan. Wright often arranged major spaces around a central fireplace for compositional unity. In the Dana House, he rotated these spaces around the multi-story reception hall. The second-floor bedrooms are thoughtfully arranged, offering a spatial connection with the reception hall below. It's a testament to Wright's ability to balance aesthetics with functionality. One key feature is the rotunda, a rounded apse at the end of the dining room. It adds a unique architectural element to the house, demonstrating Wright's innovative approach. In this segment of our exploration of the Susan Lawrence Dana House, we're going to take a closer look at the architectural marvel that is its facades. Join us as we delve into the intricate details of the exteriors that define Frank Lloyd Wright's vision. Let's start with the south elevation, which sets the stage for the entire house. You can't help but notice the use of low, buff-colored Roman brick that gives the house a warm and inviting feel. Above the brick, bands of art glass windows are carefully positioned, allowing a delicate interplay of light and shadow. The deeply overhanging decorative copper eave adds a touch of sophistication to this exterior. But the real showstopper is the main entry. The wide arched door surrounded by an abstract art glass transom in a butterfly pattern is a testament to Wright's innovative design sensibility. As you move your gaze upwards, you can't miss the ornate green terracotta reliefs that alternate with windows above the brick base. These intricate reliefs add character and depth to the facade. On the north elevation, you're presented with a different perspective. This side of the house showcases the careful balance between Roman brick and art glass. It's all about blending the exterior with the surrounding landscape. Wright's choice of materials, such as the red-tiled gabled roof, reflects a commitment to creating a harmonious visual experience. The contrast of colors and textures creates a stunning exterior composition. As we move to the east and west elevations, you can appreciate the continuity of design. Wright's Prairie-style vision shines through with the horizontal lines and the recurring use of art glass windows. These facades are a window into a pivotal moment in architectural history. They represent a departure from revival styles and the birth of a regionalism that Frank Lloyd Wright believed was more evocative and meaningful. We hope you've enjoyed this journey through the Dana House, from its architectural plans to its breathtaking facades. It's a true marvel of design and innovation. If you found this video as captivating as we did exploring this architectural gem, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel for more fascinating journeys through history and design.